Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is the integral. We have the integral from 0 to positive infinity 1 plus 2x multiplied with e to the power of negative x dx. Similar, but we change 0 to negative infinity. So I will show the technique how to answer. First, we need to find the integral for this one. Now, we have number 1 and 2x. We will multiply with e to the power of negative x. So we will got about e to the power of negative x and 2x multiply with e to the power of negative x dx. So we can find the integral of e to the power of negative x is about negative e to the power of negative x. And now we find the integral on the second one. In this situation, we can use about integration by parts. We have u and dv. U equals to s, so we got about du equals ds. dv equals to e to the power of negative s ds. So we will got about v equals to negative e to the power of negative s ds. ds. So we will use about this formula to find this integral in here. So we have s multiplied with negative e to the power of negative s. Because we have the negative, so we have the positive next to the integral. And we can find the final answer. And we can find the final answer for this one. Because we have 2 negative e to the power of negative s, that's why we have number 2 in here. And now we can find the answer for each integral. We find the limit of this one. Because e to the power of negative s, we will put about like this. So in this situation, you will go about 0. And so the top one, you will go about the 0 in here. Minus, you will put the 0 in here, and you will go about negative 2. This one, you go about 0, so you don't need to write. And the answer for the question in here is about number 2. Similar for this one. So you will go about positive and negative. On the top you go about the negative, but on the bottom you can see that if you go to negative infinity, this one all the number they will tend to negative infinity too. So in this situation, so this one will get about the positive infinity, so you will got negative infinity. That's the end. Thank you for watching.